Okay, my name is Pretty Thogo and I'm from Saroe. Okay, so since last year, I've been thinking about enrolling for a course in sewing. And the reason why I thought to do that is because I've realized that we are losing a lot of the skills that we used to have in the past because most of the time we're either on laptops or phones. So I just really wanted to connect with things that you can do with your hands. I have used a sewing machine, but this was in the 90s when I was in primary school. So for all intents and purposes, I might as well not have ever used it before because I've forgotten everything. All right, so in front of me are some of the things that I've done since I got here. So it looks very messy. This one was when we were using the industrial machine. So that was the most challenging machine because you have to really have good foot control. So yeah, we've been joking saying that we made spaghetti lines. So these were my lines that I created and I'm very, very proud of them because in the end, they ended up looking a little bit straight. And then this one here, this cute looking one, these were when we were doing or learning how to do patterns and things of that nature. So we did a couple and it was fun. It was very cutesy. And then this one, we were learning how to make or put buttons. Yeah, so I did that. And this is when we were learning how to do buttonholes. And then this last one is what we're currently doing. We are learning how to create straight lines. We are learning how to pivot. As you can see, this is like a little house, kepata, I believe. So just learning how to control the machine and ensuring that your lines are straight. I'm super excited to hone my skill in sewing, to be able to make my own clothes, the kind of clothes that I like, to make clothes for my kids, for my mom, things of that nature. So it'll be good to just be able to have a skill. Yeah, so I've learned, I would say, a lot of skills since I came in. The first week was very, very daunting. The first day was daunting because we had this machine put in front of us. We had to learn how to thread it. And I was intimidated because I didn't think I'd be able to do it. But the instructors that we have, they told us to just calm down and to know that we are going to get it eventually and to not be afraid to ask questions. As we look towards the first project, I am super duper excited. I cannot wait to see myself holding my first creation in my